Just I'll explain to you, read the question to you first. The fourth question is given to you. What is the question given? The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters. One roller. Fourth, 13.2 exercise. Fourth question. Three question, till the third question it is completed. So the diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. Roller is nothing but, you know that, okay? Road roller, consider whatever it may be. Okay? So 120 centimeters is length. Length is nothing but it can be considered as a height. Okay? And it takes the 500 complete revolutions to move the once to cover the to level the playground. एक playground को level करने का. So road roller right here. So find the area of the playground in meter square. So 500 complete revolution. One revolution is nothing but one curved surface area. One curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi rh. So 2 pi rh is pi is there and r is there. Radius is given to you. Diameter is given to you. So main thing everyone have to remember that here in these situations, diameter will be given, and in confusion most of the students will consider it as a radius. That should not be done. Okay? So radius should not be taken as a diameter. In confusion most of the students will. And height is equals to 120 centimeters. And one more thing you need to remember that, suppose if this question is given to you, for example, complete what are the given things you write? Given diameter d is equals to 84 centimeters. And height, length is given, length of the roller. Length of the roller can be taken as a height. Height is given to you 120 centimeters. This implies the radius r is equals to 42 centimeters. It is 42 centimeters. So now height is there. So curved surface area of roller is equals to 2 by r h. Is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 42 into 120. This is centimeter square. So 7 into 7 6. So 44 into 12 is 720 centimeters square. So 72 into 44 units. Rough calculation given. 7 288 8 60 2 11 3168 3168 centimeters square. It is given in centimeters and the question is asking to you in meters square. ये भी ज़्यादा लोग गलत करते हैं. And finally complete नहीं हुआ है. And the area of the playground is given. So the roller is going to move around itself 500 times. So area of the playground is equals to area of the playground is equals to 500 into area of the curved surface area of the CSA of cylinder. And roller in the brackets clearly you need to write. So which is equals to 500 into 3168 centimeters square. And here do remember that it is question is asking to you to in meter square. Centimeter square में meter square में express करने के लिए what to do here? Divide by 10,000. Because yesterday in the class I told 1 meter square. Everyone do remember 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Normally 1 meter is equals to क्या बेटा? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equals to क्या? 100 centimeters. तो ये देखो ये square बोल रहा हूँ ना? Meter square. ये 1 मीटर है, इधर 1 मीटर है. सेंटीमीटर में चाहिए, तो इधर 100 सेंटीमीटर होगा. This is the easy way to do it. 100 सेंटीमीटर. तो एरिया कितना होगा? ये दोनों का 100 into 100 10,000. So 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Do remember this. And so this you have to divide by 500 into 3168 divided by 10,000. So 2 zeros. 2 zeros, 6 0, 8 0, 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 2 8s are 1,584 meters square. Okay, so you note down along with me when explaining okay. Right now. Okay. sign of your clear sign. Next, then we'll check. The area of the playground. Yes, area of the playground. Okay. Next question, see here. Fifth question is given to you. A cylindrical pillar of the is 50 centimeters in a diameter and 3.5 meters in a height. One is given in centimeter, another one is given in meters. So you should be very careful that whenever you are doing the problems, all the units should be same. General common mistakes that by the students that whenever you are taking रेडियस डायमीटर को रेडियस के जैसा रहता है, ये कॉमन मिस्टेक होता है. And apart from that, meters, all units should be same. In this problem, you see that one is given in centimeters, the other one is given in meters. Find the cost of the painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12 rupees 50 paise per meter square. Simply curved surface area find out करना है, but the height is given 3.5 meters. You convert into centimeter. No, better you convert the centimeters of the pillar diameter 50 centimeters there. That you convert into meters. Diameter 50 centimeters, then the radius is 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters को meters में convert करना है तो 1/4 meter. 1/4 meters you are going to take. So 1/4 meter you take it as a radius. So when you take the 1/4 radius and diameter is equals to 1/4 and 3.5 meters height, because the cost is given in meters square. Cost is given 12 rupees 50 paise per 1 meter square. So for 1 meter square it is given here, so you can just multiply and do it. Next question is sixth question. Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is given to you as a 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meters, find its height. ये भी बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. ओके, you can do it. What to do here? 2 pi r h is equals to is given to you, and h you need to find out, and radius is given to you. Simple question, and calculation also will be very simple here. I think so. H is equals to 1. Answer is simple question. Okay. Next, seventh question you see here. So what is the question? Inner diameter. ये भी simple है. Inner diameter of the circular well is 3.5 meters, and if the 10 meters depth, find the inner curved surface area and the cost of the plastering this curved surface area at the rate of 40 rupees per meter square. Already we have solved the one problem of inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and plastic pipe वाला problem. Plastic pipe वाला problem complete कर दिया. So that is actually because ring problem, उससे compare करें तो ये problem बहुत simple है. Okay, so this is also not complicated. Just you have to know curved surface area, because pi is given to you. Sorry, pi you know, and radius is given to you, as a diameter is given here 3.5, then the radius will be 3.5 by 2, and height is equals to depth. Well, depth should be taken as a height. Okay, so 2 pi r h formula you have to use, and how much meter square you are going to get, that you have to multiply by the 40. So total cost of painting you are going to get it. 8th question, in a hot water heating system, heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of the length 28 meters and the diameter 5 centimeters. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So total radiating the surface in the system means total surface area you need to find. It is cylindrical, closed, both sides it is closed. And what is the area? Means total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r of h plus r. 2 pi r of h plus r. That you need to find out. This is also not complicated, but you will get the answer in decimals. Okay. Last में problems थोड़ा सा different है, 9, 10, 11 problems that I will explain to you. Okay. So 9th problem you take it here. So the question is given that the lateral curved surface area of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank, that is 4.2 meters in diameter and 4.5 meters in height. Height is 4.5 and the diameter is 4.2. If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank, to make the tank, they'll cut the some part and they'll waste it. Suppose when you are making the one with the paper, also some paper will be wasted. So like that 1 by 12 of the steel actually used waste हो गया. 1 by 12 of the actually used how much it is? Don't know. Now here that was wasted. So now you need to find out. First thing is that first question is to ask the lateral and curved surface area. You have to find out both the question. In the first part, the question is asking you to find out lateral surface area, you can say, and curved surface area, you can say. So that you have to find out. And next, how much steam was actually used? 1 by 12 of the steam was actually used, was wasted in making the tank. So first part, let us do it. So simple curved surface area we have to find out. Curved surface area we have to find. So radius is equals to, it is given 4.2 meters. What are the given things? Let us know. Given diameter. Diameter is given 4.2. You write along with me. So given diameter is equals to 4.2 meters and radius is equals to 4.2 by 2, which is equals to 2.1 meters. And height is given 4.5 meters. Then curved surface area, lateral surface area you need to find out. So curved surface area of cylindrical tank is equals to 2 pi RH. Isn't it? 2 pi RH. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. And the radius is equals to 2.1 and the height is equals to 4.5. So 2.1 is nothing but 7.3. So 0.6 into 22 into ये दोनों multiply किया 4.5. This multiply करना है. This you are going to get it some meter square if you multiply. Okay. You have to multiply this one. This multiplication part I left for you. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
This decimal multiplication. Okay. Next thing is the total surface area you need to find in the second one, because steel it is asking to you. So steel it is asking to you. So this is first part. In the second part you need to find out total surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi r plus h plus r. R you can directly, this one plus 2 pi r square also can be taken into consideration. This one plus 2 pi r square also can be taken into consideration. So now what do you write here in this situation? Just substitute the values here and you are going to get 1. And okay, this problem completely I will explain you, because that multiplication I am leaving, still it is there. So whatever the total surface area, this is not originally used. Originally used is different here. Actually steel was used because some wasted it is, they said. It was said that some wasted with 1 by 12 of the actually used. ये तो बनने के बाद हमको स्टील बनने के बाद कितना एरिया दिख रहे हैं, वो दैट एरिया दिस इज वन. So 2 into 22/7 into the radius is equals to 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5. So 0.3, 0.6 into 2.2, so 22, and ये दोनों को multiply करें तो 6.7 आ जाएगा. So this is equals to 13.2 आ जाएगा. 132 6.6. 22 6 2 से 12 into 6.7.
Sir, 2.1 plus 4.5 2.6.6 है.
वो सारे 6.6. 6.6. So 13.2 6.6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. 6 2 से 12, 6 3 से 18 19, 6 1 का 792, 792 2 11 17. So decimal point two places में है. So that you have to keep the decimal point here. So we are going to get 87.12 meters square is what? Actually it is steel used not. This is after making that, this is the area, but some area is wasted. So let us consider that, let the actually used steel as a x meter square. Let the actually used steel area, let the area of actually used is equals to x meter square. Consider x meter square consider. So x meter square originally used, and in that 1/12 is wasted. 1/12. So x minus x by 12 is wasted. After wasting, whatever the area we are going to get, it is that is equals to this one. This is equals to 87.1. From this you need to find out the x. So this is equals to what we get here. 12x minus x by 12 is equals to 87.12. So 11x by 12 is equals to 87.12. X is equals to 87.12 into 12 by 11. Okay? So now what do you get here? 11 with 11 cancel. Is it possible to cancel the 11? 9, yes. 11, 7 is 77.
Then 12x minus x by 11.
12x minus
12x minus x by 11.
12 है ये 12 है ना, because denominator में 12 आया है ना. So then what do you get here? 11 is 77, 10 will be 101. So 11 9 is 99. 99 means 2 will be there. So x is equals to 7.92 into 12. This you multiply and write that answer in meter square. समझ में आया? सिंपल है ना? सिंपल नहीं है पर थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. Okay.
So 95.0.
Hold on. So next question is given that one figure is given. In the figure you see the frame of the lamp shade. It has to be covered with the decorative cloth. One cloth से cover करना है. and the frame has the base diameter 20 centimeters and the height is 30 centimeters. A margin of the 2.5 centimeters is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. So that is nothing but 2.5 centimeters margin is to be given. That is nothing but what a lamp shade. Whenever you are considering the lamp shade, like this, after making the one paper, if you are taking into consider, ये ऐसा बनाने के बाद ऊपर का एक पार्ट ऐसे फोल्ड करना इधर, because lamp shade, you know that something will be covered like this. I think in decorative things at the time of Durga Puja, you used to see such type of things. Okay, so that is a question only here it is given. So what is given to you? The diameter is given to you as 20. Then the radius is equals to 10 centimeters. Height is given to you 30 centimeters. And here, whenever you are margin of the 2.5 centimeters is to be given for folding over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is to be required for covering the lamp shade. So in that case, what to do? Height को ऊपर 2.5 ज्यादा होगा, नीचे 2.5 ज्यादा होगा. So दोनों ऐड करना है. तो 30 centimeters को ऊपर 2.5 and नीचे 2.5 ऐड करना. So that is nothing but height will become 35 centimeters. Height will become 35 centimeters because it is not given directly. Top and bottom it is given. Top में थोड़ा सा extra margin should be taken and bottom में 2.5 centimeters. Actually it is folded like this. So if you are opening that part, ये पूरा cylinder हो जाएगा, बड़ा cylinder हो जाएगा. So that is nothing but you need to take into consider that 30 centimeters and 2.5 ऊपर and 2.5 नीचे. So that is nothing but 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters extra to be added to the 30 centimeters. Then the height will become as a 35 centimeters. So including the margin whenever you are taking into consider, it is 35 centimeters you are going to get it. Okay. So in that case, you 2 pi r h formula you have to use. Then how much cloth is required to you that you are going to get it. Okay. Can you do it? Simple question only. It's not very complicated. And the last question in this exercise, the students of the Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating and pen holders in the shape of the cylindrical with the base using the cardboard. Cardboard used करके. And each pen holder was to be a radius of 3 centimeters and the height is radius only given here. In all the problems it is given diameter. Here also most of the students will confuse that. All the problems diameter given either be 3 by 2 area, either radius area. So that's why question whenever it is given, be careful. Okay, radius is equals to 3 centimeters and the height is equals to 10.5 centimeters. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitor with the cardboard. Okay. If there were 35 competitors are there, how much cardboard is required to be brought for this competition? So what to do here? Actually, pen holder what? Pen holder is nothing but when you are taking into consider one side open will be there and each closed. With a cardboard you are making a pen holder with a cardboard. So that is nothing but pen holder करने के लिए नीचे close रखना है. So what to do here? Only 1 pi r square. You need to take into consider here. In this problem, the radius is given to you 3 centimeters. R is equals to 3 centimeters. This is given. And what is the height? It is given to you. Height is equals to 10.5 centimeters. It is 10.5 centimeters. So pen holder with a one base only one base will be there. So total surface area of the one pen holder. Otherwise, you can directly take the 35 pen holders. So total surface area of 35 pen holders is equals to 35 into 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Only 1 pi r square to be taken into consideration. 2 pi r h plus only 1 pi r square. So 35 into pi r you can take the common from this to make the simplification easier, right? Pi r 2h plus r. So we are going to get 35 into 22 by 7. This is 7 multiplied. That's why pi r is given. And the radius is given to you 3 centimeters. And 2h is only 10.5 double. 2 into 10.5 plus radius is 3. So which is equals to 775. So ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो 66, अदरवाइज ये 110 होगा. 22 5 110, 110 into 3 330 and into 24, 21 plus 3, 10.5 into 2 21 plus 3 is 24. So 330 into 24. So 24 को 33 से 4 3 से 12, 3 2 6 72 792. So which is equals to 792 centimeters square of the cardboard is required to make 7 to 9 centimeters, because 0 will not be here. So therefore at last here total surface area 35 10 holders बोला है. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ लिया है? How much cardboard is required to be brought to this completion? So therefore at last you have the cardboard required cardboard is equals to 7920 centimeters square.